In the previous video, we talked about how to upload the data using the Power Query in Microsoft Excel and upload the folder, the data that is present in the folder, and upload it in such a way that it's interactive, that if the raw data and the file in the folder changes, then also all the data within the raw data changes. The data that is present here in the Microsoft Excel, and also the dashboard is is interactive, and also the data here also changes its visualization. It visualizes different data based on the raw data that is present here and present in the folder. So in this video we will be moving further and creating the amazing background for this dashboard. So how we can create such beautiful background for this dashboard, so watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq Khan and welcome to Grow with Ishtiaq Khan YouTube channel. I'm a young professional working in a corporate sector from last 4 years and proficient in designing innovative solutions using data analysis, business operations and customer experience skills. In this channel, we will talk about opportunities and growth. And so if you are a student, fresh graduate, young professional or a mid-level professional, this platform is just for you. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I am posting on this platform. Also share the videos with your friends and colleagues because sharing is caring. So in this video, we are talking about designing a beautiful background for the dashboard. So first of all, we will create a background for this dashboard, and we will start with the creating with removing the grid lines and also removing the headings from these. So it's really looking really beautiful and it's clear and white. So first of all, we will bring it here. This will open the PowerPoint, and I have already downloaded and upload and inserted a picture, the back for that will be used for the background. So I will create some. I will work with it, and I will go for it with some brightness, also with some transparency, and so that it should be looking beautiful in a way we want. So now save it, or you can, let's try with the control C copy, and now here the control V and paste it. Now you can also go with it. I do not like this one, but you can also save it as a picture. Save as a picture, and then after saving it as a picture, let's save it on the desktop, and picture is a picture one, replace that picture, and now upload it. Now in the page layout, you can use it in the background and work offline. And now from the file, we have saved in the desktop. So picture one, now it's looking much more beautiful as compared to the other one. So it depends upon you, the which way you want, you like it, it depends only upon you. Now the next thing that we need to upload is the background for these, the background for the charts, background area for the charts. So then we need to insert, we need to work in the PowerPoint and insert a rectangle. canvas is filled, there should be no outline or no outline. Also, you can align it center, align it in the middle. Now that's for you. And now you need to insert, we need a piece here, and we need to cut it here also into three pieces. So how we can cut it into three pieces, and then go with the gradients. So first of all, again, we need to insert the grid lines and the guides of how we need to insert the vertical and horizontal guides. Click it here, and you need to add the vertical guide and move it here the area you want, and click here, and I just want this amount of piece. I think this is enough, more than enough. And now I also need an horizontal guide. So with the horizontal guide, I need this amount of piece. This should be more than enough. Now insert the now format it somewhat. Now decrease its size. 3 is more than enough. Move it to, and also 3 is more than enough. Now click it here, click here, and subtract. Now our design is ready, and then we need to put some gradients, put some colors into it. For click on the format shape, and click on the format shape, click on the fill, then click here, and on the fill we need to gradient, and I like the gradient with the red colors, and also insert some transparency into it. So fill with the dark red, then the slight reddish, and then again dark red, and this one, and then this one. This one should be slightly this type of. Now also degree angle should be 45, and the transparency should be, this should be much more. You can play with it the way you want, and now it depends upon you that how you can play with it. Now that's looking really cool, really beautiful as compared to the one I designed, and it's looking cool. And change its color to somewhat this. And now look at this one. Look at this one and look at this one and green shades and violet shades. So it's looking somewhat beautiful. And if I add this shade into the middle with the this would be looking much more beautiful as compared to now. This is looking good as compared to the other one. Now we need to copy it from here, and now it depends upon you how creatively you want to design it. Now from copy it here and then put it here. This is your design. Everything on the back side is visible, and also let's decrease its size somewhat. It looks good, and also it opens the space for the data also. Now increase its size somewhat. Now again insert the another one, and you need to insert the title, and for title we need this rectangle, and with rectangle this one, and then the formatting. It's a long video, but I'm working on it in a way. And to look at this one, and now this one, and 5, and now add the transparency. No line. Now it depends upon you how you design it, but I think it's also looking beautiful one. And now go with it and insert the text box here, and here write the performance dashboard, performance dashboard. Then click here and increase its size. Also change to other font, white, looking beautiful as compared to. And now click on the format shape and no fill. You don't need any line. Now click here and click here and Format, align it to center and align it to middle. Now, this is the team performance dashboard with the title, with the background for the charts. Here we will insert the charts. Now you can design it in your own way. I've shown you the tricks and techniques that how you can create the gradient design in PowerPoint, create this beautiful background, and here we will insert our slicers. So this is all about the designing the background for the dashboard. And in the upcoming video, we will design the pivot tables and the some pivot charts, and then we will start inserting along with it we will start inserting these pivot charts into our dashboard with finalizing the designs. So follow this series, this team performance dashboard creation designing process step by step. It's a 9 video series, and you will learn each and everything step by step, and it will be helpful to present your to show your creative nature and to impress your boss using your data analysis and Microsoft Excel skills, and to pitch yourself as an Excel expert in front of the recruiters, in front of your customers, clients, or your boss. So follow this series, and that's all about this video. So if you want to move your career to the next level, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan, and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform. Also share the videos with your friends and colleagues, because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.